How do I import my cryptocurrency transactions in TurboTax? If you bought or sold cryptocurrencies or transferred it from one wallet to another, you need to report it as income on your tax return. The IRS treats crypto sales or exchanges as properties, and the earnings are considered capital gains. The easiest way to add all of your transactions is to select each of your exchanges from the Let's Import Your Tax Info page. TurboTax will then take you to your exchanges login pages where you can sign in and import households of transactions automatically. Your exchange might also have sent you a list of taxable sales, a 1099-B form, or a gain or loss report. You can use this information to either ensure that the information TurboTax imported matches your documents, or to enter your transactions manually. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.